probably tell by the cute little box and that I'm here to show you the next devotional kit from DaySpring. So it is now available to order. I have a link down below in the description where you can head over, grab your kit from DaySpring, and you are going to love it. We just finished the Women of the Bible series. We did 3 kits in that series from the Encouraged community, and I absolutely loved it. I loved going through the Encouraged devotional Bible. If you don't have that Bible, I do encourage you to grab it because it's a really great tool with extra devotionals. I've done a full review of that Bible also here on my channel, and I'll leave a link down to it if you're interested. I really do just truly love that Bible. That's why I had to tell you guys. So let's just jump on into the next kit. This is the kit for May. Of course, you can work through it anytime, but we're starting a new, I guess we call it a mini series maybe. If you have more than one, is that considered a series if it's just 2? I don't know. Anyways, so we're going to be doing 2 kits focusing on this topic, and I can't wait to show you. So let's open it up. And the first thing you see is just this gorgeous, vibrant yellow. How pretty is that? It's just a beautiful, bright pop of sunshine, really, when you open the box. I love that for spring and summer. It's really pretty. So what we have here is saying what's true about you, your own story. And I'm going to pull this closer to you for a second so you can see what's true about you. These little florals, look how gorgeous. They are stunning watercolors. They're just really, really pretty. I love that. The lettering is really pretty. So that gives you a little clue about what this month's going to be about and the next month. I love this bright yellow, and I love to reuse the tissue when I'm working in my Bible entries sometimes. So I'm going to move that aside for just a second. Let's hide that there, right? And let's jump on into some of the other things that come in the kit, and we'll show you that in a minute. So here is the What's True About You. Of course, you get a devotional sticker, and then you also get a sticker on your wrapping. You can see I'm very careful with opening it because I like to cut it out and reuse it. But I just love those florals. I love that it comes with 2. So you could essentially be collecting these and keeping them in a journal or something to remind you of the kits you've worked through. That's kind of a fun idea to use the sticker. And then you're going to have your little welcome card. It has some information about the kit, but then on the back it just tells you a little bit more about the artist, and it tells you more about Bible journaling and some resources there with DaySpring. So Holley Gerth, that is our author for this month, and let's just see a little bit about what it's talking about. So it says, God says we're deeply loved, wonderfully made, and He has good plans for us. Yet in the middle of our busy, broken world, the lies our hearts can hear get loud. And so they have partnered with Holley Gerth. She is also written some other books I know that you can find on DaySpring, and I believe it says over here she's also a contributor, a co-founder of Encourage. So if you've heard of her before and you are a fan, you're going to love this kit. So really excited. It also tells you everything that'll be included and has a little color swatch for you there. And there's also, when you purchase the kit, it'll tell you on here are 4 free bonus printable pages, and they're emailed to you directly after you purchase the kit, usually the next day. And those are just little extras that you see in the kit. You'll be able to print those off, and also they have different sizes of elements. So they'll have standard size for a normal size journaling Bible, and then they have them where they're already in a large format, so you can just print those out really large to use in an illustrating Bible, which is that really large spiral bound Bible with the thick wide margins. I meant to print those off for you guys so you could see them, and I am so sorry. I apologize that I just totally forgot to do that, but just be reminded those are extra that you get with this. So don't feel like you have to hoard stickers, because you're going to have tons of things you can print off and reuse. So you get 4 journaling cards. Now this month, this is kind of fun. They are actually turned landscape instead of doing them portrait. Usually they've been this way, and then I was putting mine in a traveler's notebook and sharing that with you, but I'm going to do something different this month, and I'm kind of excited about that. After you've done something for several months, you're kind of like, let's change it up. So that's what I'm going to do. And so I think I'm going to probably, I don't know yet. I've got some ideas. One idea, though, I will share, and then I will probably do another video letting you guys see how I put it all together later this week. But I'm thinking about hole punching and putting like an album ring on here and having a flip ring to keep them all together. That way I can add notes on the back. I'll add some pages and cards in between each one to add more scriptures, prayers, reflections, that type of thing. Maybe add some ribbons on the ring and just have fun with it. So that's an idea, and I'll share mine once I get it set up or however I choose to use these. But it's going to have your topic on the side, of course, the devotional here with the little questions. So I'll just let you guys see these real quick. It says you don't have to feel ready from Philippians. You don't have to compete in Hebrews. I love these topics. You have a purpose from Psalms, and your story isn't over from Proverbs. So look at all the gorgeous detail in the flowers. I really love that. So those are our devotional cards. Now, also included are these little art cards. They're like art prints, and they've got those really gorgeous florals, the art mediums, the different swatches. I just love it. On the back, it's just a pale pink. And then over here, you have different quotes from the author. So these would be fun to kind of add in between, tear it apart, of course, add them in between on a ring. They would also be fun to just throw into a card if you mailed it to somebody, if you wanted to put one up in a public bathroom on the mirror or something for somebody to see, encouragement. So those are fun, and they are perforated, so you can just tear those apart easily. And then we have some stickers. So this month, this is fun. You're going to get lots of stickers. So that's why I said don't try to hoard these, because you're going to get tons of them. You get 2 sheets of the clear stickers, and they're clear transparent. So let me just peel one up here. So you can see my finger through it. It's transparent. I love these, especially with the big title stickers like this one, because you could put some paint on the background of the page and then lay this over the top of it, and it just pops right off of it. So I love these. It's got some titles, Overcomer. So it'll be fun to see how these different words are going to match up with the devotional content. So you got 2 pages of those, and I believe these same stickers and designs are included on those bonus printables. So like I said, tons of stickers to go around, which is always nice. Now, one thing that they've also included, and this would be really neat to do the same thing I just mentioned with this title sticker, putting some color on your page and then putting this over the top. It's the exact same stickers, but they're just white. So it's really fun to see. I'm excited to see how you guys will use these. But let me see if I can peel this up where you can see that. See how that's white? I should have got a piece of pattern paper so you could tell, but it is white, and then you've got the clear transparency. So that would be fun to put down over some color. So that's going to be fun to use, just something different, right? And you've got 4 pages of them. I just thought this would be really fun. See this Overcomer one? You got the white. You could always lay the pink right over it, and it would almost give like a shadowing effect. So I may have to try something with that. That would be fun to see how that would go. Okay, so now let's see the other stickers. See, I told you, you get tons of stickers. Here is the sheet of alphabet stickers, and you get 3 sheets, so we should have hopefully plenty of letters to go around. They are a really pretty pink color with the white. I love that. It's actually the same font that you see here on the little title sticker and throughout the kit. Let's see right here on these cards. See how it's, so I like that they've done that, just kind of kept that theme going. So more stickers there. Washi, gotta have some washi, right? Love washi. It always comes with a ton of washi on here, so you have plenty to go. And then it has these really pretty sentiments and phrases, really what God is saying about you. So we have capable. Is that focusing? Maybe. There we go. Capable, amazing, accepted, loved, valued, strong. Oh, there's like a ton of them. I love that. And so it's a kind of a lilac type of purple with pink and white sentiments and phrases on it. And I like how they've mixed kind of like a block font that you see with the script So that's really cute. One thing I'm just thinking about too is I'm looking at the color of this here. This, if you still have some of the stickers from the Women of the Bible kit, the alphabet stickers, one of the sets had them in this real light purple color. And so you could pull those if you wanted some extra letters to intermingle with these, and that would really be cute too. I love to do that. I like to mix the kits and also whatever I have left to be able to reuse it later on. Okay, so before I do the card, I want to show you these. How cute are these? So these are just some felt flowers, and they have a adhesive backing on them for you already, so they're very easy to use. These leaves, as you see, they're not attached to the flowers, which is kind of neat because you can, if you just wanted the flower, you could do that. But you could also then take your leaves, they have an adhesive on them, and attach them where you want. Put some backing on that, and then place your leaves wherever you want them on the flowers. So several ideas or ways to use this. You could make clips out of these to put at the top of your Bible page if you wanted, and put this, a paper clip on there, maybe glue a paper clip and then put some felt over the back of it, and you would have a clip. Another thing you could do is something similar to that, but put some kind of clip where you could then make this into a hook that could go like on the front of a traveler's notebook. So if you have a traveler's notebook and it has one of those straps, you guys know I have one because I've shown you over and over in my videos, and I don't have it handy, but you could like make one of these to clip it on the front of that, you know, to add a little bit of decoration to it. So I'm gonna have to play around with that and be back to show you guys how I'm doing that, because these are so cute. I love that idea. And then DaySpring always, one thing that's unique to their kits, they always include a greeting card. And of course this one is Holley Gerth's for this month. And there you can see her on the back. And this is part of her card line, Heart to Heart. And I just love that they do that. So of course this is just to protect it because you've got some glitter on here, this really pretty ribbon. And then this card right here that you see is, I wanted to show you because you got to be careful when you mail it. You might want to attach it down, but it actually comes out and it's frameable, so someone gets like a little goodie with their card too, and they could frame this and hang it for a sweet little reminder. And then of course you see inside how pretty that is. So you'll get the card with it free, and that you could mail out and pass along to a friend. I've been doing that every month with the cards in the kit. I love it. I love praying about that. Who could I give a card to brighten their day? And it's just a fun way to kind of pay it forward and encourage somebody else, because you never know who might need that. So there is the kit for this month, guys. I know a lot of you have been anxious and waiting. I like to hang out over in the DaySpring Bible Journaling Facebook group, and so it's fun to hear your guys' excitement and you know, anticipation. And the next kit's coming out. I've been excited anticipating it too, because we did the Women of the Bible for 3 months, and I knew something new was coming. I couldn't wait to see what we were going to be talking about. So if you haven't grabbed your kit, that link down below is in the description. That will take you over to DaySpring where you could grab your goodies. And don't want to miss out, because next month we're going to have a second part to this kit. So it'll be fun to kind of follow along and build upon this one as we work through. And we're going to be talking all about what is true about us, our own story. That's important to remember as we get busy in this life, and we don't want to listen to the lies of the enemy. We want to know what God is saying is true about us. So, all right, guys, I'll be back again soon to show you more of how I'm going to use maybe these felt flowers, how I'm going to be setting up my devotional cards. So stay tuned for that, and I can't wait to show you more. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.